Well, good Thursday morning, everyone. A little bit of a reality check this morning as you step outside or let the dog out. It is cold out there compared to where we've been the last couple of mornings, and so a lot of 30s on the board here. Now, the city of Detroit, 43. We always trend a little warmer in the city, but 31 in Ann Arbor, 37 in Pontiac, 36 in Monroe, and a light breeze out there in some spots, but it's coming out of the north. So if you have a little bit of a breeze, that could make it feel a degree or two cooler, but calm conditions in Ann Arbor and Pontiac. So let's check in with that 24-hour temperature change, as it is noticeable. 20 degrees colder at Metro Airport, but Flint 30 degrees colder. Everywhere else in southeast Michigan, somewhere in between. So it's a 20 to 30 degree range of just how much cooler we are compared to 6 o'clock yesterday. Sunrise will be at 7:58, sunset at 6:37, and we have plenty of sun in store today. It just doesn't really warm us up a whole lot. We're in the wake of a cold front. High pressure kept us cool overnight, allowing those temperatures to really slide. So as we try to rebound, we'll get into the mid-50s around 1 o'clock this afternoon, but 59 for the afternoon high. So the kids definitely need the coat as they're heading outside. And if they're standing at the bus stop this morning, they're probably going to want the hat and the gloves as well, because 30 degrees will be awfully chilly to start the day. Tonight, 41 for the overnight low, partly cloudy. It's just going to be another cool night ahead, maybe not quite as cold as last night, but still pretty cool. Tomorrow, 61 for the afternoon high, but we have a good chance of seeing some scattered, maybe even numerous showers throughout the morning, and then that will taper off midday. Afternoon trending a bit drier. So let's show you the timeline here. We're starting at midnight tonight, where we have actually pretty clear skies. Clouds will increase before daybreak, and then by the time we get towards 8 and 9 o'clock, here's a look at when that rain is rolling through. Still looking like it's on the lighter side unless you're well north of M59 up into the Thumb region, a moderate shower or so, and then a lot of that is out of here by the time we get to about noon or 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I won't rule out a stray little sprinkle or two early afternoon, but by late afternoon into the evening, we're not only drying things out, we're clearing out that cloud cover, which is great news for Friday night football. Our Local 4 game of the week, Belleville taking on Howell, and as we continue to dry out throughout the evening, we'll clear out that cloud cover and we'll slide throughout the 50s for high school football tomorrow night. For college football on Saturday, Michigan State taking on Michigan for a night game in the Big House. And so that big rivalry game will heat things up, but the temperatures not so much. We will be in the low 50s for that 7:30 kickoff and 40s by game's end. But at least it's dry, and we stay dry through the weekend. So Sunday, we're welcoming back the sunshine. You'll need it if you're tailgating outside of Ford Field, because we'll be in the 40s before we get to that 1 o'clock kickoff, where we get into the low 50s as you're walking into Ford Field. It's jacket weather for sure, but sunshine as you're leaving Ford Field. So an early look at Halloween now that we are a week away. You can call it a trick or a treat. So 70 is what we're looking for at Halloween right now, but maybe a chance for some scattered showers. We are a week out, so we can be fine-tuning that forecast and likely will, but you'll see ahead of it, Tuesday and Wednesday next week, we're back into the 70s. So at least that warmth is looking likely, but we'll definitely have to time out those rain chances as we get closer to the holiday.